Hi guys, my name is Riza. My real name is Riza and the other Raza. We need to get escape, but airplane one first. But it's really hot in here. I'm going on the fan. I'm in the bed, so we'll be friends too. What is it? Barbie. I don't know. Barbie Agni. Okay, Barbie Agni. You will be my friend. Sure. Okay, let's read this one. Now, please find your my what? So fast. Yay, Barbie Agni, our friend. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm joking. Just joke. Just joking, everyone. Just joking. I'm joking. Okay. Okay, everyone gonna want to, if sandwich. Sorry, I did not read that because my voice was hurt, but not. Who's allergic to mayo? Come on, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. Who's allergic? Oh my God, it's Pau Pau. It's allergic to mayo. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh my God, poor Pau Pau. Crew, I hate you. Why you? Okay. Oh no, quickly. We need to find Pau Pau baggage for medicine. Now, look in the baggage store above you. I found it. Wow, it's really quickly. The Beranka. Hey, you. Why you said that? The Beranka. Is your name? Huh? Okay, this dude was dancing. Yeah. You pay. I'm joking. Not paying. So I'm going to hide the thing. Hide. Not okay. Not okay. Sorry, I posted. And I'm stuck at the town. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I was. Oh. No. You cannot see. I was stuck. I'm stuck. I just jumped and I'm stuck. Oh no. I'm gonna just, reset or reset. Sorry. Mommy, do not send me anything. Ooh, the energy drink. That is favorite. Oh, you guys, I have 0 Robux only. Please help me, guys. Because I have 0 Robux. Because I'm new here and I download this. Lexus said that I'm going to download that. Okay. Let's go to airplane 2 again. That I just... Oh. Why I'm sitting here? I'm sitting over there. Why I'm sitting here? I cannot leave the room because if I leave the room, now go back to another one. But I don't know how to. Let us go to the airplane 2. Yeah. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular. Oh, wrong style. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to 991. Oh my God, I don't know. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personal with you guys. Oh, thanks. I saved an airplane last time. Last time we didn't save. We still don't understand how the captain lost control of it. Yacht! You see nothing, guys. I was posting. Post that. If I die, this dude had no face. His name Rodrigo. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, thank you for guys for watching and subscribe the channel, write a comment and thumbs up for more. I'll come back later. Bye. And you want to see me at Roblox. See nothing. Bye.